I know the main reason you click on this video is to make money from the forex market. In this video, I'm going to be showing you an indicator that most successful forex traders will never show you. Most of them, they are hiding it from you. So make sure to watch this video till the end, because everything I'm going to be explaining about the indicator will count. Before we continue, you have to know that the key fundamental principles that every successful traders must know is risk management and consistency, together with discipline. If you don't know how to manage your risks, if you don't know how to be disciplined when trading, you will never be profitable, no matter your strategy, no matter your indicator. In this video, I'm not going to be teaching you the principle of risk management and consistency or discipline. I'm just going to be showing you how to use the indicator. But keep in mind that before you start practicing or before you start trading with the indicator, make sure you study risk management, consistency, and discipline. You are once again welcome to my channel. If this is your first time clicking on my channel or landing on any of my videos, please like, subscribe, and comment so that YouTube can recommend this video to other people who are in need of successful strategy to make money from the forex market just like you. Now I'm going to be sharing to you my screen. I'm going to be sharing my screen with you. I will show you how to add up the indicator on TradingView, how to set it up, and how to start using it to trade. Then together we are going to backtest the indicator to see how profitable it is. So let's move on. Okay, this is my screen. So the first thing we are going to do is to add up the indicator. So now let's add up the indicator, and I'll show you how to set it up and how to trade with it. As it, open the indicators, you type ghost tangent crossing by Chart Prime. The indicator was developed by Chart Prime. If you are familiar with trading, you know that Chart Prime are one of those companies that always develop the best indicators in the market. Okay, let's add it up together. Here it is. You can see the indicator. You can see how it is displayed. It is a trend-based indicator. It means that signals are generated using trend break. Now for the settings, we keep everything at default. Everything should be default. It means that don't change any setting from it, just allow the default settings. Now you click OK, and let's see how it is. So that's it. That's how it's looking like. You can see how buy sell signals have been generated. The red indicates it's time to sell, the blue indicates it's time to buy. Now to make this indicator powerful, we can add an EMA line, moving average, exponential moving average. To me, I always like to use the normal moving average. That's the moving average exponential. That's the best because it is one of the oldest moving average indicators that have always been existing. So now let's add up the moving average. You know that this indicator is a trend-based indicator, and moving average is also a trend-based indicator. Now if you combine the two, you see that it's very powerful, like combining trend-based indicator with moving average indicator. For the moving average, you can just keep it at the settings should be at 200. That's one of the most common settings of moving average that people normally use. You can keep it 200. So let's set our moving average. So that's the moving average. The length is 200. Now if you look closely, the moving average together with the indicator, you will see that sell signals above the moving average is always good, and buy signals below the moving average is always good. It's not like the normal case where when the candles are under the 200 EMA, you sell. When it is above, you buy. No, here is the opposite. When the candles move above the 200 EMA and produces a sell signal, you buy because it is likely to go down. And when the candles move below the 200 EMA and produce a buy signals, you buy because it is likely to go up. Now it moves like opposite. In as much as we can still use these indicators as a standalone indicator without using EMA, that one is also good. We can use it as a standalone indicator. Now let's back test it silently like a standalone indicator without using the EMA and see the result. There was a buy and it's good, and after that you will see a sell. Let's place the sell. Though it was not really much, but at least it gave us 1:1. That's also a win. Make sure to watch this backtest to the end, because after this backtest I'm going to tell you something very important about this indicator, how to maximize your profit and how to do everything to make a lot of money using this indicator. So watch this backtest one after another till the end. There is a sell. Place our sell just like that. As always, we hit our buy. Just watch till the end. At the end I'm going to tell you something very important, very important. If you miss that part, it means you have missed everything about this indicator, everything about this video. Just watch quietly. I know why I am backtesting every trade, so that I'll tell you the secret at the end, the secret of the indicator. Just silently watch as it is going. There is a sell. We are almost reaching the end. Almost till the end. The buy and next to it is a sell. Now we have done all with the backtesting. Okay, let me tell you the secret. After backtesting this indicator, you will see that some trades gave us 1:2 win rate, some gave us 1:1, some gave us 1:3, and others gave us up to 1:4 and above. Now, the true secret to keep on winning with this indicator without losing your money is that set your break even to 1:1, set your take profit to 1:3, and never break the rule. Always be disciplined and make sure you use proper risk management. The reason why I'm saying so is because when price hit 1:1, you take your trade to break even, you see that even price go against you, you will not lose any money. When price hit 1:2, your trade is already at break even. Even it comes back and go against you, you will not lose any money. You see that all your 1:3 trades will always be a win and you will always be at the top. Make sure to use proper risk management. Please, if this video is helpful to you, if this video will help you to make money, if this indicator is really interesting to you, if this is your first time seeing this amazing indicator, subscribe, like, and make sure to drop a comment so I'll reply you, and I'll also give you many best hidden indicators you never knew you can make money with in the market. Thanks for watching.